In today's video, we have a wireless mic from Hollyland. The Hollyland Lark C1 is a cutting-edge wireless audio system that redefines the way you capture and transmit sound. Designed for content creators, filmmakers, vloggers, and professionals in need of reliable wireless audio. The Lark C1 delivers exceptional audio quality, ease of use, and versatility in a compact package. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxing. So let's start by unboxing the product. The moment you open it, we get to see a carrying case, and inside we get a charging case which holds 2 transmitter and 1 receiver. A Type-C cable. Also you get a windshield which helps you record in windy environment and some paperwork as well. Talking about the design, it is a simple pocket-able device with logo and LED indicators on the front, and nothing on the back and on the bottom. We get a Type-C port to charge the case. The design of the case feels a bit plasticky, but also feels somehow good and sturdy. As soon as we open the case, we get to see our transmitters, or the mics, and also receiver. Let's talk about the mic. First, it comes with 3 metal openings, which looks and feels premium. And as you can see, we also get a Type-C port to charge it while you're recording. And we get a power button and a noise cancellation button, which reduces background noises and focuses more on your voice. Talking about the receiver, it's simple and really compact. Here we have a Lightning version, but you can also get a Type-C one if you want to. There's no such complication to use it. It's just a simple plug and play device. The Hollyland Lark C1 provides outstanding coverage of up to 650 feet in terms of gearbox range. This enables you to move around freely without being concerned about signal degradation or dropouts. The Lark C1 provides dependable and flawless wireless communication over a significant range. Whether you're giving a presentation on the stage, conducting interviews, or recording audio for video productions, the Lark C1 excels at recording sound with remarkable clarity and detail, thanks to its cutting-edge technology. This microphone reproduces audio from all directions precisely, thanks to its 48 kHz sample rate and 16 bits of depth. The Lark C1 produces an extremely immersive audio experience, whether it's catching the finer details of the musical performance or recording clear and concise dialogue. When it comes to wireless gadgets, battery life is always a concern, but the Lark C1 effectively addresses this problem. With a staggering duration of up to 8 hours on a single charge, you may confidently record non-stop for lengthy periods of time. Additionally, the microphone system receives 2 complete charges from the storage box when it is fully charged. This means that you can have a phenomenal overall usage of 32 hours with a fully charged storage box, 1 receiver, and 2 transmitters. The Lark C1 will meet the needs of the majority of users without having to worry about running out of power, thanks to its long battery life. I will say that the Hollyland Lark C1 microphone really impresses me. Due to its excellent sound quality and practical compact design, it is a fantastic option for many applications. The Lark C1 will surely improve your audio recording experience regardless of whether you're a content developer, presenter, or performer. So that is it for the video. This is MHD Tech signing off for today. See you guys in the next one. Till next time, peace out.